Hi everyone, it's Coach Nicole here and we are back with improving your verbal ability. Pero this time, hindi na talaga tayo basic kasi nandito na tayo sa double word analogy. Okay? Pag sinabi nating double word analogy, ito yung just like analogy, pero this time, instead na tatlo yung words natin, dalawa na lang siya. So we need to find the same pattern with word 1 and word 2. So, ganun rin tayo. Find the relationship of the words with one another. At ito, karagdagang information sa mga nagtatanong kung may history ba or araling panlipunan or science sa CSE. Wala po. Ang meron lang tayo ay numerical and verbal ability. Pero sa verbal ability, nasa sakop natin yung araling panlipunan at science. Paano? Just continue watching the video. But before we do that, feel free to pause the video, answer each item on your own so that it will serve as your practice test. While you're doing that, don't forget to like, follow, and share Online Review Center PH for more tutorial videos just like this. So let's start. Estrogen is to female as to blank is to black. Okay? So we know that estrogen is the hormone being secreted by female. So, yung nilalabas na hormone ng mga babae, ang tawag natin doon ay estrogen. So, what is in our choices na nagfi-fit same analogy with here? Okay? The correct answer here is letter A, estrogen. Okay? So, estrogen is this hormone secreted by male. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, wala tayong science, pero sa mga word analogy, logic, ayan, nasasakop pa rin natin siya. So, dapat alam natin yung mga general info just like this. Next, Tokyo is to Japan as to blank is to blank. So, we know that Tokyo is the capital of Japan. So, ang hahanapin natin ay capital and yung country nung capital na yon. And the correct answer here is letter C, Kathmandu and Nepal. Ito naman, very AP to, or araling panlipunan or geography, kasi lugar yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Next, number 3, antibiotics is to bacterial infection as blank is to blank. Okay? So dito, antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infection. So, ginagamit natin ang antibiotics para gamutin ang bacterial infection. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung medicine, tapos yung kanyang kinukure. What is being cured? Yan yung pangalawa. So, dito, we have depressant and depression. And tranquilizer, stimulant, narcotic, smoke inhalation, analgesic, or pain reliever. Which one do you think is correct? Okay, the correct answer here is letter A. Analgesic is to pain reliever. Bakit? Because we use analgesic to treat as our pain reliever. Okay? Yan siya. Now, dito, alam ko, lahat tatanungin kayo, bakit hindi po depressant and depression? Di ba po kinukure ng depressant ang depression? Hindi po. Ang nagkukure sa depression ay yung antidepressant. Okay? Yung pangpatanggal ng depress. So, pag depressant lang siya, siya yung nagpapadown lang ng hormones natin. So, therefore, this is not the correct answer. Okay? Si tranquilizer, hindi naman siya nag-i-stimulate. Si narcotics, hindi rin siya smoke inhalation. Okay? So, therefore, wrong C, B, and C. That's why the correct answer here is letter A. Next, you answer number 4. Jakarta is Indonesia as to blank is to what? Sa tingin ninyo, ano ba yung relationship ni Jakarta kay Indonesia? But we know that Jakarta is in Indonesia. Now, which among our option is correct? Is it A, B, C, or D? Share your answer in the comments. But we'll have number 5 because we have helium is to 2 as blank is to blank. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating helium, in the periodic table, di ba, wala nga tayong English nga to, pero may science, di ba? In our periodic table, helium has an atomic number of 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung atomic number yung hinahanap natin dito. So, we know that helium has the atomic number of 2. So, among our choices, the correct answer here is letter D, oxygen. Because only letter D has the correct number of atomic number. That's why the correct answer here is oxygen is 2,8. Okay? So, again, just like what I have told you, kahit walang araling panlipunan or science na pinag-uusapan, importante na alam pa din natin yung mga general info just like this. At kung may tanong pa kayo, don't forget to comment it down and don't forget to share your answer para malaman natin kung nakuha nyo ba yung tamang sagot. Thank you everyone and happy learning!